Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. On this very video we're going to be making this super healthy delicious smoothie. So without wasting much of your time, I will be telling you some of the health benefits and the ingredients used in this video. First, we have the watermelon, and we all know watermelon is a very sweet hydration fruit. Some of the benefits are asthma prevention, blood pressure, cancer, digestion, and regularity. It helps in hydration, as I've earlier said, and it helps build the brain and nervous system. It also helps in your skin. Watermelon contains vitamin C, which the body needs to produce collagen. Collagen is essential for cell structure and immune function. Vitamin C also promotes wound healing. Okay, so studies say that suggest that vitamin C may help promote healthy skin, including reducing the risk of age-related damage. Watermelon also helps in metabolic syndrome. This in higher levels of antioxidant in their blood, lower body weight and body mass index, lower systolic blood pressure, and improved waist to hip ratio. If this is your first time you are coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, hit on the first bell. This enables you get notified each time I upload a new video. To my returning subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you for always coming back to keep this channel going. I appreciate it. So the next ingredient here is lemon. Lemons contain a high amount of vitamin C, soluble fiber, and plant compounds that give them a number of health benefits. Lemons may aid weight loss and reduce the risk of heart disease, anemia, kidney stones, and digestive issues and cancer. Next is strawberry. I will be using few strawberries for this recipe, and you can adjust or increase according to your taste. Is 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt helps improve bone health. It reduces appetite and hunger, especially on a weight loss journey. It helps both your metabolism. It improves good health, encourages good mental health, building muscle mass, and lowering blood pressure. It also reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. So I will be transferring all these ingredients into my blender. The greatest decision to give my life away to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. It's what I'm living for. I'll also be using a tablespoon of honey, which is about 21 grams, and 21 grams of honey contains 64 calories and 70 grams of sugar, including fructose, glucose, maltose, and sucrose. Honey is very rich in antioxidants, The antioxidant in it can help you lower blood pressure. It also helps to improve your cholesterol. Honey can lower triglycerides, and the antioxidants in it are linked to other beneficial effects in heart health. Honey can also help you prevent blood clot formation, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. I want to use this privilege to appreciate all my membership, and if you want to join my membership, just click on the join button in the front of my screen and it is available for you to join. If you're looking for the best channel to get the latest news update, Hollywood and Nollywood movies, check out this channel, Best Davis Show. If you don't know where to go, Jesus is the way. You're everything to me. You're everything. If you have watched to this moment, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.